Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the TD Cash Secure Credit Card. Now I really like this secure credit card because when it comes out of this secure credit card, it's easier to get. I know I told you guys about the Discover credit card, but some people just can't get that credit card. So this credit card is much easier to get. Now, this credit card actually offers cash back. So you guys will get 1% cash back on all your eligible purchases, which is really good. So it's kind of like in Open Sky credit card. I can't, because Open Sky will let you get a credit card, but with them you get cash back. Like, I really like that. You guys will get cash back, and you do have to become a member. You will have to basically get an account basically with them, but it's easy to get an account. It's no restrictions like Navy Fed, so that's really good. Now, let's go and look at some of the details on the account. With this account, you can actually have up to $5,000. So with this secure credit card, you can put up to $5,000 down. So between $300 and $5,000. Now, this credit card supposed to be eligible to become unsecured. It will actually be an upgraded card, but sometimes some people saying that they're having a hard time actually becoming getting it to graduate. So keep that in mind. You may want to just make sure you keep the balance on your credit card and on this credit card, and then also make sure that you're paying on time. So with them, they consider your payment late if it's after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on your due date. So make sure you guys are paying it on time. And you guys will, when you get this account, you will start off with a $29 annual fee, but that will be prorated after it graduates. So it's supposed to graduate in about 7 to 8 months. They say pay your bill on time for 7 months. Then it should be able to graduate. But on time, to me, with this account, make sure you guys pay all of your credit cards at least a few days early. Now, you don't get many increases when it comes down to this credit card. That's one thing I want you guys to know. They said that they don't actually offer any at all. I haven't heard of anybody actually getting an increase. When it graduates to the amount that you put down. So if you put $500 down, when it graduates, you're going to get a $500 credit card. So keep that in mind. But once it graduates, you can add up to 25 people as authorized users to help them build their credit, which is what I really like. I think that's an amazing feature. So somebody said that they got approved for this credit card also with 515 credit score. So that's good. 515 is their credit score. They're going to pull your Experian credit report also. So now that I told you all those quick facts, let's go ahead and just look at this application. So if you want to apply for it, all you got to do is click right here on apply now. Now they have different options if you want to apply for this credit card. Well, let's actually go over this part of it first, and then I think they'll tell us the options next. But all you have to do is just apply for the credit card. You got to put down the minimum deposit of $300 up to $5,000. So whatever you want your limit to be, you put that money down, and then they'll take that money and put it on hold and send you that secure credit card. But they have different options on how you want to do it. You can apply online. You can go into the branch. So that's good too. You have different options if you guys just don't want to do it online. If you want to go in, you can't go in. But a lot of people is happy that they can actually apply online now and fund it online. So that's really good. So they're saying, are you a customer already? If you're a customer, it'll be easier, but I'm going to just say no. I don't think a lot of you guys will be a customer already. Now, they're going to want all of this information. So they're going to need your first and last name. They're going to need your email address, your primary phone number, a secondary phone number. That's optional. And then, two, do you consent to text messaging? That means that they can send you different types of text messages, but understand that you do have to consent to that. They're going to need your social security number, your date of birth, your address. They want to know your status, whether you're a homeowner, whether you rent, whether you live with relatives or other. Now, this account is fairly easy to get, so don't feel too scared to, put everything down that you ready to put down. What's your monthly rent or mortgage? Put that down. How long have you lived at that address? They're asking more than a lot of companies, and this is only a secure credit card. But less than 2 years, more than 2 years. Then they want you to choose the ID that you're going to put down. Is it going to be your driver's license, your state ID, or your passport? And then you'll fill in all of this information after you decide which one you want to put in. But they're going to need to know what's your gross annual income. So make sure you guys put that down here. And don't forget, if you guys are in Wisconsin, you're able to use like your spouse's income, look into all of that because community property state, but you're able to use like information from your spouse too. And I think it's just for states with community property. So look that up where you can use your spouse's income. They're asking what's your source of income? Like, okay, where are you getting this money from? What's your source of income? And then they want you to go ahead and read over their acknowledgement. So you guys will read over the acknowledgement. Important notice. They want to tell you a few things. It's important, you guys. So make sure you guys check over it. So here you go right here too about community property too, marital property. But if you guys fill in everything and you want to go ahead and get approved for the card, make sure you guys click accept and submit. And don't forget, you're going to have to fund your account. So when I say fund your account, then I mean that you guys are going to have to put down whatever deposit that you wanted. So don't forget, you got between $300 all the way up to $5,000 that you can technically put down on this credit card. So understand, well, not three, I think it was 5,000. So I'm sorry about that. It's 300 all the way up to 5,000 that you guys can put down on this credit card. But understand that you are going to have to put that down. Now, they have other credit cards on here too, you guys, that you could possibly get. So if you build a relationship with them, hopefully you guys can go ahead and get some of their other credit cards that they offer. They offer more than just that secure credit card. The secure credit card is like just one all the way at the bottom. And they tell you again, you have that $29 annual fee. And if I didn't tell y'all, that $29 annual fee is going to be prorated back to you as soon as you go to like their regular credit cards, because you're not going to have any annual fees when your credit card graduates. So they're going to cancel that annual fee for you. But that is everything I want to talk to you guys about with the TD Cash Secure Card. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. If you guys want me to do a review on a credit card, make sure you guys drop that credit card down in the comments. I'll make sure I do a review. Or say if you just like, hey, Rickita, I wanted to know about this credit card, drop that credit card down in the comments too, because I may have made a video for about that credit card already, and I could just send it to you. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.